Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor located in Citrus County, Florida. Today I'm in Inverness touring this home that recently came on the market. It is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home on a quarter lot. It has a new roof, a new HVAC system. It's got a new hot water heater, a new washer, dryer, stove, and refrigerator. It is a beautiful home, so if you have any questions, please give me a call at 352-507-5675 and join me on a tour. Please stick around till the end of the video where I'll give you the address, the price, and more details. Come take a tour with me. Thanks for joining me on this tour. The address is 800 Newton Drive here in Inverness, Florida. The price is $349,000. An awesome deal for this beautiful, spacious home on a large lot. So if you have any questions, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button for more home tours here in Citrus County, Florida. Have a good one.